Alright, here we go. Pretty much got everything in there. Pull the tampy off. I'm gonna put the battery in, but it fits. You got tank 1 there. Tank 2 there. You got the switch mechanism down in there. Let's see if I can light it up. You can see the switch right there. Hot glue, man. Gotta love this stuff. Got the T down there. Coming receiver right here. So that's that. It all fits in there. Got the 2 tanks. So we're just gonna kind of stop there because I gotta send this speed control back. They sent me an email on it. On this 160, some kind of coming apart on the inside under G-forces or vibration. So I gotta send it back and have them fix it. I haven't even used it yet. Grab this big daddy motor. Let's scale on. Want that? Almost 6 ounces to that. Oh, just dropped the motor on the ground. So 3 pounds, 9 ounces, plus 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, it'll be right in 4-pound range with another 6 ounces of gas. So